Hey bread friends, it's 8:30 at night. I have no makeup on, but I just want to show you something new that not new, but something new to me I'm excited about. As you know, I have a recipe for panettone, Italian Christmas fruit cakey, bready, that is divine. And I know a lot of you have made it, and it's so good. But I hated using the paper just to tear it off and throw it away. And they're not cheap. So I saw these. They're panettone molds. This is the little one, and then I have a big one too. In fact, let me go get the big one. Hold on. It'll be right there. It's right here. And here it is. So this is the big one. This is the little one. So this would be the whole recipe. And then, or else three. I made three of the recipes. So it's a spring form. I think you've seen these before. And the little bottom goes like that. And then it stays in there. And so what I did, sorry, no face. I'm just shooting this video myself. So I sprayed the heck out of this with nonstick spray. I mean, I really sprayed it. And I baked my 3 little mini panettone in it. And they came out of the oven, and I kind of waited maybe, I don't know, 15 minutes. And then voila, did this. It lifted right off. Took the little panettone, it lifted right off the base. Nothing stuck to anything. It was fabulous. It was so great. So I love these. I think they're cute. And now I'm thinking of other things I can do with them. But anyway, I just want to tell you, and I'll put the Amazon link below. Love you guys.